Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, your SS teacher, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International Kuliswa. I am going to start subject History of Standard 8, and this is third UV lecture on the topic When People Rebels 1857 or After. Dear students, yesterday we have discussed an excerpt from the Sepoy to Subdar, okay, which was mentioned by the English officer Norgate. Further, one of the stories is also mentioned here that continuing the source that as we know that the main reason that why the rebel was started, basically what the things was that all the um, policemen, all the sipais who working for the companies, they came to know, somehow they came to know that what the new rifle is going to use, that is greased with the fat of pig and cows. This was the main reason that why, and this matter became the spreaded through the like the forest fire, and this was informed to other regiment also, where people when they came to know, then they have told that it seems that these English peoples, they want to just vanish our religious beliefs, and they want to convert into the Christianity, and this Christianity, and that's why they are doing this type of things. So the other type of excitement, okay, it was started in every regiments. Like some men, they have pointed out that 40-year service nothing had ever done by the Sarkar to insult their religions. But I have already mentioned the Sipais mind being inflamed by the seizure of Oudh. Okay, it means they have finally came to know that the only one motto is there, that we have to be converted into the Christianity. And as both the Mohammedans and Hindus would be defiled by using it. So there were the religious beliefs somewhere, it was also hurt among them. And as the new carties, the emergence, the launching of the new carties, it also put a large difference between them. Okay, all the sipais, they just came to a point of rebellion, because they many of them were also belongs to Brahmins and other castes. So these peoples, they were also basically affected by this type of, and this was happened there. Now next is a mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. It means those sipais, this becomes the rebellions after these incidents. See how dangerous these incidents was. As the struggles between the rulers and ruled are not unusual, sometimes such struggles became quite widespread at popular resistance show the power of state breakdown. As the large number of peoples, they have understood that we all having the common enemies, and that is only the British, and that's why they all used to gathered around, and they were develop a situation to organize, to communicate, to take initiative, display the confidence, to turn the situation around. See, once they came to know that our beliefs is in danger, that we have to be rounded up, and this why this was happening. So it was basically in the northern part of India in 1857. This was happenings, and after 100 years of conquest and administration, the English East India Company faced a massive rebellions started in May 1857. As they have already understood that these companies are not better for us at any cost. From anywhere, from any side, these companies are not better. And as they all peoples, they were just want to remove this. So all with their all willpower, they have just joined it and threatened the company of very presence in India. Sepoys they have mutinied in several places in beginning from Meerut. As we know that Meerut and a large number of people from different section of society rose up in rebellions. Okay, so peoples who were joining the sepoys, but this time they became the rebellions as some the biggest armed resistance to colonialism in the 19th century anywhere in the world. As according to other peoples, they were telling that this could be the biggest rebellion, okay, in the world. As dear students, from Meerut to Delhi, next topic. So as you have heard well about the Mangal Pandey. So on 29 March 1857, the young soldier Mangal Pandey was hanged to death for attacking his soldiers in Barakpur. Okay, and basically he was the sepoys of 34th Regiment in Barakpur, and since the after some days the all the sepoys of the regiment at Meerut they have refused that we will not use the cartridge as this is greased with the fat of pig and cows. So all those sepoys, okay, approximately 5 sepoys, they were dismissed from service and they were sentenced to 10 years of jail for disobeying their officers. This happened on 9th May 1857. Okay, see, as the continue the depression, the suppression by the British colonial was doing, then since the other Indian soldiers in Meerut was quite extraordinary, and on 10th May the soldiers marched to the jail in Meerut as they released the imprisoned sepoys. They have released, they attacked, killed the British officers. It means the chaos was all around. The people, their blood was just boiling. Okay, with the anger that why we are being suppressed while we are holding the guns, we are armed, then why we could not do this? And all the guns and ammunitions these were captured by the, and all the buildings it was set fire wherever the properties of British declared the war on the Firangis. Those Firangis, it means those Britishers, they were considered as Firangis. The soldiers, they were determined to bring the end of the rule of their country. It means we want an end of these company in our country. And but who will, but after if they will, their rule will end up, then who will rule here? Then all those companies they have told one name, and who was Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar. As Bahadur Shah Jafar, they were considered as the last Mughal emperor. The sepoys from the Meerut, they have rode all the night of 10th May to reach Delhi, and early morning they have in Delhi. As the news of their arrival, they have spreaded that all the sepoys they were stationed in Delhi, they also have joined them and rose up in rebellions. Again, the British officers were killed, arms ammunition were seized, and buildings set on fire. As the soldier gathers around the Red Fort, where the Badshah lived, demanding to meet him. The emperors were not quite willing to challenge the mighty British power, but the soldier persisted. They have told that we are with you and you will be our leader. It means we don't want any rule of the British in our country. That's why we have started these rebels. And they forced that the Bahadur Shah Jafar should be their leader. And thus, this type of rebel, it was started in 1857. Okay, dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.